Are your kids ready to experience the thrill of robotics and technology? Join our summer camp to discover the world of electronics, robotics, AI and coding. Our experienced instructor will guide your children to learn Python, embedded C, game development and audio.
Our in-person and online summer camps offer flexibility and convenience for busy families. Choose the option that's best for you.
At the end of the summer camp, your children will showcase their unique talent in robotics competition.
This is the opportunity for your children to gain valuable skills to set them up for the success of the future.
Enroll your child in a summer camp today and watch them grow their passion for technology.
Join our robotics summer camp and unlock your child's potential. Enroll now and give your child the gift of learning.
I welcome you to the Robotics Summer Camp for great learning and excitement.